Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very hot topic, how to run comfyui on MimicPC. Okay, let's go. Before we start, let's introduce MimicPC. MimicPC is an open source AI platform, fully customizable and also affordable. You can run a lot of hot AI tools on MimicPC, for example, like comfyui, RVC, Olama, DeepSeek, WebUI, Flux, all the AI that is on the top of the market. And also, you don't need to purchase a very expensive device because some AIs requires very high performance of the GPU and some of the CPUs. But on MimicPC, you don't need that. All you need to have is a browser that can run websites, and all the AI tools are all yours. So basically, MimicPC is a cloud-based service that can help us to run all kinds of the AI tools. And also, it's totally customizable, which means you can do all the things that you want to do in the local AIs. So basically, it is your PC, but only it's a virtual one. It's very convenient for people that want to explore all the AI tools. And for the pricing, I think pricing is pretty affordable. They have a lot of plans you can visit, and people love it. And also, if you have any questions, you can go to the Discord of the MimicPC. Okay, don't forget the domain is mimicpc.com. Okay, let's go. First, let's click the free launch. And here's dashboards of MimicPC, and we already have some categories that we can tap. For example, like the image generation, that we have comfyui, WebUI, and focus. They also have the labels as a normal, easy, or hard to learn. If you are a beginner like me, you can choose the easy one. And also we have a video generation. We have 3 video generations: comfyui, RVC, and Hello. And also you have a LoRa model training. They can train LoRa models easily. And also if you want to create audio, we also have audio generations. And also chatbot, we have Olama, FaceSwap. So today we are going to introduce a very important topic, that is comfyui. Comfyui is a very popular AI tool for generate image, video, and audio also. comfyui is famous for the professional interfaces. This can help you to tweak the parameters in a very easy way. Click the Get Started app. This page is about to set up your virtual computer. So you can choose the parameters of the virtual computer. So let's try to use a large. This is about to set up the app runtime. So basically, MimicPC charges us by timing. So you don't want to turn up all day and do nothing, right? So basically, you can set up the down count, for example, like a half hour. And let's go. Click the Create and Start. All right, so now we have the workflows of the comfyui. That's really nice. And this is a little different between the local comfyui and MimicPC comfyui because we have a sidebar here. The sidebar is about the folders that are inside of the comfyui because it's a virtual one. So MimicPC put it here, and you can tweak, in fact. For example, like the models, you can click here, and you can rename the folder or delete it or upload the new models here. And also, we have tutorials for MimicPC, and if you want to check, if you are a beginner, you better check this before. And also, we have a favorite and a logs. So it's really comfy in MimicPC, right? And here we have a quick button. This button is about to run the flows. And here we have a model library. If you're familiar with Stable Diffusion or comfyui, the AI models is very critical for generations of the image or video. But in local Stable Diffusion or comfyui, we have problems that we need to download AI models again and again. And sometimes the AI models is so huge. So sometimes I just open my computer and downloading the AI models and I go to sleep. So in MimicPC, it's not very hard to get the AI models. So click here. So you can find we already have a lot of the AI models here. For example, like SD 3.5, and we have a different version. And when you click that, a window will be added to the workflow. Another way to tweak about the AI models is from here. So you can click this button to change the checkpoint. And let's give a prompt from here. And maybe we can tweak about the size of the image. So let's tweak. Okay, let's try to generate the first image. Let's click. Okay, we have our first image generated. This is how we run comfyui. We can find in two windows in comfyui, we have connection lines, which we can tweak so we can reconnect it to another windows. That's with the same color. We call it the whole thing workflows of the comfyui. So different combinations will generate different results. And if you don't want to learn how to connect the latent and the key sampler, you don't need to know that. All you need to know is the different workflows can generate different results. And click the workflow. Flux requires a specialized node to run. Select the SD/SDXL model here. And we can even save the workflow. We can export the workflow as API or JSON format. If you have downloaded the workflows on your computer, you can click here, open, to open a local workflows. And if you don't know anything about the workflow and you don't have workflow downloaded, no worries. We have this blog template where we have some workflows that we can play around. For example, like the image generation, image to image, two-pass upscale, and flux. But I have something even better. Go to the homepage of the MimicPC. We found on the tab we have workflows where we can find a lot of workflows on the market. For example, go to the image generation and let's try this workflow as an example. Click the operate. Okay, we successfully opened this workflow. This is a little bit tricky because the positive prompts are here. All right, and let's tweak about the size. And when you're ready, all right, what we have here. Looks like the workflow on MimicPC is better than the default one, right? So we have our final works here and click here, you might see. So you can download from here. It's amazing, right? So let's try to tweak the prompt a little bit. So let's try a very detailed prompt. And let's click the button. All right, how do you like the result? I think it's pretty cool. And comfyui helps us to better understand how AI generates image. So first we have a checkpoint. So when you run it, it will first go to the checkpoint, then go to our positive prompt. Also, it will be infected by the negative prompt. So we also have a latent image information come through, and they all go to the key sampler. So inside the key sampler, so the image will be denoised and assembled again in the VAE decode. Then finally, we have our result. So if you only place with a stable diffusion or mid-journey, you won't understand how AI works. And we can add a window by clicking the add node. For example, like image, loud image, and assemble a brand new workflows. All right, let's try another one. So I found that we have a Hunyuan model here. Hunyuan is a very famous model for generate videos. So click the operate. You will also find the size of each models, and they are huge. So imagine if you're running locally, you will spend a lot of time and consume a lot of energy. But here, as long as we click here, it's all done. So let's click the start. This one looks really complicated, right? So we have a node, and also we allow the diffusion model, Hunyuan video model. Okay, it indicates to a positive prompt. All right, we have our prompt here, and let's click the Q code. Okay, we have our results. Looks good, right? So we can click here to download this video, and also we can change the final format from here. So we have a PNG, WEBM, GIF, MP4. So this is how you generate video inside of MimicPC by using Hunyuan model. Is that fantastic, right? Okay, so stop it and let's find another one. All right, let's try this workflow. So this workflow is DeepSeek Genus Pro. So this workflow will use DeepSeek and Flux to generate another image style based on your image, lightning and characters with more details. Okay, let's try this. So first, let's upload the image, and then we need to describe the detail. And you can change the size of the final image here. And when everything is satisfied you, and just click the Q-cut. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a brand new image generated, and I think it looks terrific. Isn't that nice? Transfer this style to a more like illustration, but a 3D illustration style. These workflows use the top 3 models, DeepSeek, Genus, and Flux. They collaborate each other to adjust the style, and we can generate images based on our images. For example, if you have a photo, but a very old one, you can use it to generate another brand new illustrations that you can use in your work or share to your social media. So remember this workflow. It's called DeepSeek Genus Pro and Flux Image to Image. If you want to collect it, you can click this button. So let's try another one. This one called Flux and American Comic. Okay, click the operate. So in this workflows, also put some prompt tips so we can try. Let's copy the first one and copy to this part. Let's click the button. All right, we have our final works. Click here. What do you say about that? And check the quality. Amazing. I gotta say, it's even better than what I got from Midjourney. Do you like it? We can save the image, or we can make a video based on this image by using another workflows. If you are a comic lover, you must love these workflows, and you can download the workflows, of course, and you can use it right here in MimicPC. Well, speaking of the video generation, this WAN video model is on fire recently. So let's try it out. Click the operate, click create and start. Okay, I'm in. This WAN video model is really crazy recently, and you can visit Hugging Face to check more details. And how do we use it? Let's find out. So first, we need to load the image. Let's click here. Okay, this is the image which is generated by another workflow in MimicPC, right? So after that, the image will transform to encode, where we can change the aspect ratio from here, right? And after that, all the image will send to sampler and denoise. And after that, to decode and put it to the final part, where we can change the format. So now it's MP4. So we can change it to different format. Okay, so basically this is how it works, and click the button to generate. Okay, after a few minutes, we already have our results. Check it out. Wow, it looks nice. And we are using this WAN video model to generate this particular video based on our images. I think this is pretty nice. You can open it in browser and save it locally. Isn't that very easy for you, right? And if you are done with this workflow, click the stop. And back to your dashboards, it will display all the virtual PC that currently you are holding. And you can delete it by click this trash bin icon. And you can also click the discover to see all the AI tools. I think you'll be amazed. It collects most trending AI models on Earth. And also we have these AI tools. So inside of the AI tools, most of them are free. You have a free chance to use the best AI models on market. Okay, so much for today. This is my tutorial for how to use comfyui inside of the MimicPC. I hope you like it. I hope it's inspiring. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave your questions in my comment zone. I will reply them one by another, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good day. Bye bye. Oh, another good news. Next week, MimicPC will hold a competition on the theme of AI influencer. So you can click the workflows, click AI influencer, and if you have a good idea about AI influencer, you can upload to the competition and win a prize. And don't forget to check the Discord of MimicPC to find more details about this competition. Congratulations on watching to the end! If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye!